London, the bustling capital of England and the United Kingdom, is a city full of history, culture, and vibrancy. London, a melting pot of people from all over the world, creating a unique and diverse atmosphere. London boasts a rich history dating back to Roman times. Explore iconic landmarks like Buckingham Palace, the Tower of London, and Westminster Abbey, each with its own fascinating story to tell. Buckingham Palace. Witness the changing of the guard ceremony and tour the staterooms to catch a glimpse of royal life. Tower of London. Explore this historic fortress, home to the crown jewels and a fascinating history of imprisonment and execution. Houses of Parliament and Big Ben. Take a tour of the Houses of Parliament and marvel at the iconic clock tower, Big Ben. Westminster Abbey. Witness the coronation church of British monarchs and explore its beautiful Gothic architecture. British Museum. Discover a vast collection of antiquities from around the world, including the Rosetta Stone and Egyptian mummies. National Gallery. See masterpieces by renowned artists like Van Gogh, Da Vinci, and Michelangelo. Tate Modern. Explore modern and contemporary art with works by Andy Warhol, Picasso, and Louise Bourgeois. Natural History Museum. Learn about dinosaurs, animals, and plants from around the world through interactive exhibits and life-size skeletons. London Eye. Take a ride on the giant Ferris wheel for stunning panoramic views of the city. Shakespeare's Globe. Watch a play at this reconstructed open-air theater and experience Shakespeare's works as they were meant to be seen. Hyde Park. Relax in this sprawling park, visit Kensington Palace, or take a boat ride on the Serpentine Lake. Oxford Street. Indulge in some retail therapy on this famous shopping street, with stores ranging from high-end brands to budget-friendly chains. Camden Market. Explore this vibrant market with its quirky stalls selling everything from vintage clothing to handmade crafts. Portobello Road Market. Browse antiques, collectibles, and street food at this famous market held every Saturday. Sky Garden. Enjoy free 360-degree views of the city from this beautiful public garden located in a skyscraper. Columbia Road Flower Market. Immerse yourself in the colorful blooms and vibrant atmosphere of this flower market held every Sunday. Catch a West End show, see a world-class musical, or play in London's famous theater district. Enjoy a traditional afternoon tea. Savor dainty sandwiches, scones, and pastries at a posh hotel like the Ritz or Claridge's. Take a Jack the Ripper tour, follow in the footsteps of this infamous serial killer, and learn about the social and historical context of his crimes. The city is home to world-renowned museums and galleries, such as the British Museum, the National Gallery, and the Tate Modern. London's theater scene is legendary, with shows ranging from classic Shakespearean productions to cutting-edge contemporary works. London has a comprehensive and efficient public transport system, making it easy to get around the city without a car. London's culinary scene is as diverse as its population. From Michelin-starred restaurants to traditional pubs and trendy cafes, there's something to suit every taste and budget. Don't miss out on trying some of London's iconic dishes such as fish and chips, bangers and mash, and afternoon tea. The city is also home to a thriving pub culture, offering a great place to socialize and sample local beers. Whether you're interested in exploring ancient landmarks, catching world-class shows, or simply soaking up the city's energy, London has something to offer everyone. Iconic landmarks in London. Buckingham Palace, Tower of London, Houses of Parliament, Big Ben, Westminster Abbey, St. Paul's Cathedral, Shakespeare's Globe. Afternoon tea at a posh hotel, riding the double-decker bus. Fish and chips at the local pub, exploring Camden Market or Portobello Road Market. Royal tour, visit Kensington Palace, witness the changing of the guard ceremony, explore Hampton Court Palace. Discover lesser-known museums like the Wallace Collection or the Jeffrey Museum. Explore Greenwich and the Royal Observatory. Take a tour of Shoreditch or Brick Lane to see iconic street art. Hunt for hidden murals around the city. Explore Notting Hill with its colorful houses. Stroll through the bohemian Camden town. Discover the vibrant South Bank with its bars and street performers. There are many amazing walking tours available in London, catering to different interests and preferences. Harry Potter Tour. This tour takes you to the real-life locations that inspired the Harry Potter books and movies, such as Leadenhall Market and Diagon Alley. Ghost Walk. This tour takes you to some of London's most haunted locations and tells spooky stories about the city's dark past. Food Tour. This tour takes you to some of London's best food markets and restaurants and allows you to sample a variety of local cuisine. Supercars of London. a phrase that conjures up images of sleek, powerful machines roaring through the bustling streets of the British capital. London is a veritable hotspot for supercars, attracting aficionados and casual admirers alike. Luxury car rentals. Several companies offer rentals of high-end cars, including some supercars, allowing you to get behind the wheel yourself. Supercar track experiences. You can participate in track experiences at circuits like Silverstone or Brands Hatch, putting your driving skills to the test in a supercar. Supercar museums. The London Motor Museum and the Brooklands Museum both have collections of iconic supercars from throughout history. You have several options for traveling to London. Flights. London boasts several major airports, including Heathrow, Gatwick, and Stansted. Numerous airlines offer direct flights from various cities worldwide. Consider budget, convenience, and travel time when choosing your flight. London's extensive public transport network, including the iconic tube, buses, trams, and even ferries, makes navigating the city a breeze. Consider purchasing an Oyster card for convenient and cost-effective travel. It is possible to arrange accommodation before traveling to London. Hotels. London offers a diverse range of hotels, from budget-friendly hostels to luxurious five-star establishments. Choose based on your budget, desired location, and amenities. Airbnbs. Renting an apartment or room through Airbnb can be a more affordable and immersive way to experience London life. However, research regulations and choose reputable hosts. Hostels. Hostels provide budget-conscious travelers with a chance to socialize and meet fellow adventurers. Perfect for solo travelers or those on a tight budget. London at sunset, the bustling city bathed in warm hues, iconic landmarks silhouetted against the sky, and a magical atmosphere that sets the scene for a memorable walk. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a first-time visitor, a sunset walk in London is an experience not to be missed. London's nightlife scene is as vibrant and diverse as the city itself. Whether you're a fan of thumping techno clubs, intimate jazz bars, or lively pubs, London has something for you. These are just a few suggestions to get you started. With so much to see and do, you're sure to have a memorable time in London.